Well, it's a big day for the BJP. The party has notched up its highest tally ever in the BMC elections, close to 95, 96 seats. It is winning and it is in a big celebration mode because for the first time ever in Mumbai, the BJP will be getting its own mayor in the BMC. At the BMC headquarters, the Chief Minister, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, the man of the moment, the big hero for the BJP, is shortly expected. But my colleague, Yesha Kotak, has been there since morning, capturing the jubilant mood there with the Karyakartas now celebrating what is really a historic win for the BJP. Yesha, how soon is the CM expected and what are you picking up from the supporters there? How big a day is this for the BJP?
Absolutely, Aman, right behind me, you can see that we'd expect the Chief Minister here anytime now. There are fireworks which have started already. The supporters are all here with the waving the flags, be that of BJP, the RBI supporters are also here. We've also seen the state BJP chief, Ravi Kuchar, who's already here. Mangal Prabhat Lodha, the cabinet minister, he is also present right here. They're all here to welcome the Chief Minister. And apart from that, there are various other BJP leaders. With Kiran Somaiya, with Pankaja Mudde, who've already arrived. In fact, you really see the preparations that are all. In just a while from now, we'd expect the Chief Minister to be here any moment, and then he'd address the supporters who've gathered. Aman, on the other side of the street is where the supporters have all gathered. Just close to this barricade outside the BJP office, which we're not able to speak to them, but the mood here clearly is ecstatic. The fact being that 25 years, it's been 25 years for the BJP to in fact get that position at BMC. In fact, you see the kind of posters that have been put up. It says "Ata Brastacharcha Virakna Mumbai Ki Vishwas," which clearly means that there will be no corruption in BMC, and that is where that's the promise that they come up with in this very election. In fact, when we speak of this, the whole idea for the last couple of years, there have been several leaders who've been questioning the corruption at BMC, right from the COVID scam, the body bag scam, the Miti Nadi scam. All of this was in fact being questioned by several leaders. We in fact saw how the economic offence and yes, Aman, with that we see the CM's convoy is here. So with that CM will be heading in to the BJP office, and from there he'll be heading and addressing the supporters who've gathered. It clearly, you can see the kind of magnitude of the win that this is for BJP. And yes, we see with that CM on the front seat of the car with supporters who've gathered in large number to meet him, to greet him. In fact, you also see tight police bandobast that's put into place here to ensure that the supporters, the media has been kept away. Huge crowd, clearly showing the kind of win, the nature of win this is for BJP in itself. But yes, we're almost going for this crowd. Now is where we see the Chief Minister finally addressing those who've gathered. In fact, Aman, let me speak to you about how this preparation in fact went by. Of course, the exit polls last night had spoken of a clear majority for the Mahayuti. But until this morning, when we came in, there was absolutely no one present here. The office was empty. Eventually, of course, there were two barricades that were put up on both the sides. But as the day progressed, as we saw the number of seats increasing in the kitty, is where, in the last, say 8 to 9 hours, is where all these celebrations have come up. You see the fireworks have already started here, and, the entire saffron flags across this entire street. All of this only started as and when the number of the seats kept increasing. And this very picture that you see on the stage is Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis waving out the supporters. Apart from that, there's Ashish Salan present on stage, the former Mumbai chief, Pankaja Mudde along with him, Ravindra Chauhan present on the stage. All of the top leaders, who contributed to this win to ensure hard who worked hard to get this figure of an absolute majority from Mahayuti. We see that there are pictures, posters of Devendra Fadnavis, the chief minister, which people are holding. Just a while back, there were constant chants of Deva Bhau, and that's why it started again. Chants of Deva Bhau, giving him credit. Clearly, over the last couple of months, for the Ladki Bahin is where this name Deva Bhau has been termed in for the chief minister, and here it is, the brother of this Ladki Bahin, and that's how people have now started fondly calling him Deva Bhau. Apart from that, you also see flags of BJP all across this very street, and celebrations is what we expect. These celebrations have just started because clearly from here there will be several meetings that will take place. Before this as well, the chief minister went ahead and met and spoke personally to Amit Satam, the BJP Mumbai chief, spoke to Ravindra Chauhan and congratulating them for the win. What we in fact heard from the leaders who gathered here is the fact that they attribute this win to development. The constant call that these leaders have given or are stating is that this very win comes in because it was the people of Mumbai, people of Maharashtra who accepted that this win came in because the Mumbaikars, the voters, accepted their call of development. Going away from speaking now, none of these leaders would really want to speak about any of the Marathi or the Hindi issue, or how did people really, what was the call around election. Today it's all about the win that is there, and with that we also see workers who are here chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and asking Devendra Fadnavis, chief minister, to go ahead saying Deva Bhau Aage Baro. They've also called in revered Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who is someone who's revered among Marathas. Now when we speak of this, in fact, of course, in the wake up of the Vidhan Sabha elections, there was a clear call by the Marathas, but now after Vidhan Sabha elections are over, a clear momentum has been picked up by the BJP, and
Right.
that seems to continue
Right.
from the Nagar Parishad elections to even today. Right now, Aman, that you see on screen is where the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis
Yes,
and
yes,
State Chief are being garlanded by the supporters. Yes, over to you.
Yes, Yesha, and Mayuresh, these scenes that Yesha is bringing us from the BJP headquarters, a well-deserved win, a win for a triple-engine government in Mumbai.
Absolutely, and they have worked not for a year or say few months back. They are working the day 2022 tenure of that particular mayor got over. If you remember last election also, it was a neck and neck between Shiv Sena and BJP. Both had contested differently, but it was Devendra Fadnavis' decision to support Shiv Sena to form their mayor, and that's why it had happened. So certainly they were working since a long time. The confidence was obviously there. Whenever we spoke to Amit Satam in that interview, when he to us when he got the charge of Mumbai, he also said the same thing, that this time we are going ahead and we are going to establish our mayor, and we will not allow any other party like Uddhav Thackeray or any other alliance to form the mayor. So certainly it's a well-deserved, I will say. But for that, they were working since a long time. They were planning, and moreover, Aman, what I have observed on the field yesterday, all their party workers, all their leaders had gone door to door to bring the voters to the polling booth. There was a chaos at the polling booth. No one was knowing that where exactly have to go. As I told you, in the one family, 2 people have voted in this ward and other 2 people have voted in other ward. But BJP Karyakarta, the Mahayuti Karyakarta made it sure that their voter will go to the exact polling booth and they will not face any kind of difficulty. So that's kind of a management they were having on the ground also, and that's why we can see this kind of a result.